start playing around with the channel planner too, if you want. One thing when you do what we did is you build the first AP and you start dropping them all in here one at a time. If you look at the design, they're all in the same channel. So you can use the auto channel feature here and let the tool just pick the channels, because you might be using auto channel or channel fly in the design anyway. And here, this is important too, the maximum channel width. If you know you're in an office environment, most customers will only bond out to about a 40 megahertz wide channel, because you want to have enough collision domains to break them into smaller pieces to maintain your throughput. And a lot of the clients you're going to have in that environment, they can't bond more than 40 or 80 megahertz wide anyway, and some of them only do 20. So if we're bonding out to 40 and the client only does 20, it'll work fine. If the clients do 40 and the APs do 40, that's great. They'll be great for those clients when they win the contention. So you can bond for or model for that. And if you know what channels you can and cannot use by the regulatory domains, you can plan for that as well. You can deselect different channels here that you want or don't want to use. And then there it's on signal strength still. If you'll change your visualization to channels, it looks pretty good. And 5 gigahertz, which is what's enabled, you've got a lot more channels to choose from. So you're not going to have the likelihood of co-channel interference so much as you would in 2.4. And then if we need to turn 2.4 back on some of these, you can go change the visualization from 5 in the top right there to 2.4, and then one AP at a time, just toggle it on.
Or if you wanted to toggle more, you can select, click actions, and edit multiple APs.
And if you're just doing one at a time and you don't know where it is on the left-hand side to enable that, you can select just the AP you want and choose edit access point from there. Or you can select it, find it on the left-hand side and choose to edit. Lots of different ways to get it done.